Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone has had the chance to do their sentences and writing beg and bog from yesterday. Today we will be moving on to the next two words in your spelling homework book. For today we are on page 40, which is made up of a 4 and a 0. We're going to go ahead and start with the first word, which is bug. I saw a red bug on a leaf this morning. Bug. We have the same beginning sound as we had yesterday, which is b, and I'm sure most of you know that our first letter is the letter B from the phonogram b. B, a, g. Up next is we have the letter U from the phonogram a, u, u, a. B, a, g. This one you guys are familiar with as well because you heard this ending sound in yesterday's words. We have the letter G from the phonogram g, j. Now for the word bug, we don't have any markings, so let's go ahead and spell bug together, kindergarten, which is B-U-G. You may have noticed that the word bug sounds a lot like beg and bog. So again, I would like you to listen very carefully to the words and their sentences when we do our spelling test this Friday. All right, kindergarten, great job so far. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next word, which is mother. I love my mother very much. Mother. Now let's look at this carefully, kindergarten. If we say the word mother, we can actually split the word into two parts. Moth-er. And because we can split the word into two parts, that means we have two syllables, which means we will need a syllable space between moth and er. Okay, let's go ahead and stretch the word out, kindergarten. M-a-v-er. We've been working hard on our beginning sounds, so does anybody know what letter comes first in mother? That's right, kindergarten. We have the letter M from the phonogram m, m-a, a. Next, we have the letter O from the phonogram a, o, u. Now, you can't really hear the next two letters coming up unless we say their phonogram as one complete thing. But the letter we have after O is the letter T from the phonogram t. After the letter T, we have the letter H from the phonogram h. Up next, we're going to have a syllable space, so make sure you put your finger space or meatball space after the H. Up next, we have the letter E from the phonogram e. And then our last letter is, you can really hear is the letter R from the phonogram r. Now, kindergarten, I'll let you take a moment to figure out if we need any markings for this word. I'll give you a hint. We have a couple buddy phonograms that we need to underline. Okay, kindergarten. The first marking is we have to underline the th, v. We underline it because it's a buddy or two-letter phonogram. And we also have to put a 2 on top of the th, v, because it says its second sound of the phonogram, which is v. We also have to underline another buddy phonogram, which is, you're right, we have the of her at the end. Perfect. Let's spell mother together, kindergarten. MOTHER, underlining and put a 2 on top of the v, and underline the of her. Great job, kindergarten. Remember, for your spelling test this Friday, you must include all the markings and syllable spaces. So if you miss a marking, such as an underline or a number, we take a mark off. If you miss the syllable space, we also take a mark off. So please make sure to review those markings and spaces carefully. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the next 2 words. Bye, kindergarten.